it fits the flag exactly. I just had to kind of like get this out like this, like that. But wow, look at that. And it's real wood, guys. Real wood. I will leave you with a link to this in the description area of my video. I shopped a lot around, okay, and definitely the ones from Hobby Lobby got a very, very bad review, that it was cheap and it was not real wood. This is real wood. And look, I like how these are made. These are not cheapo either. So, okay, so I wanted to show you here that I went ahead and I used the inside of these tabs to secure the flag, because this is a big flag. This is the flag that was draped over the coffin, okay? And so I know that one of these is for here, the other one for up here, but I found that it would be more secure with both of these going up here, because over here what you have is paperwork and the metals and so forth. And I could just smell that wood. It's all wood. Real wood. Not particle board. Look at that. All real wood. Nicely made. Very nicely made.